apologist.
And choose where your new life shall begin. What side of the war are you on? The sons and daughters of Skyrim shall welcome you with open arms.
Stub.
Tell me again why we're wasting time and building resources chasing the legend. We don't even know it exists.
The Jarls are upset. They don't all support you.
Damn the Jarls.
They demand the moot.
And damn the moot! We should risk letting those milk drinkers put Torik's woman on the throne? She'll hand Skyrim over to the elves on a silver plate.
All the more reason, then. The crown would legitimize your claim.
A crown doesn't make a king.
No, but this one.
If it even exists.
It exists, and it will be the symbol of the righteousness of our cause. Think about it. The jagged crown. It heralds back to a time before Jarls and Moots. Back to the time when the king was a king because his enemies fell before him, and his people rose because they loved him. Skyrim needs that king. You will be that king, Wolfric. You must be.
You're certain you found it?
When have I ever been false with you?
Fine. I'll send the Unblooded here with you. Fancy it through a moldering dungeon to see if you can't stir up Garmar's jagged crown.
It will be there. You'll see. Get yourself kitted out with what you need.